So basically, you just do the inspection of it?
Yep, so I'll make a video right now and then, so it's on right now.
What you think it needs?
Yep. Yep, that's pretty much it. So here's the city. Looks like it's PVC. Either that or it's transite. It might be transite pipe. It's kind of hard to tell.
The actual pipe don't really look that dirty though.
That's the 6-inch pipe. So that's 6-inch right there, and then the rest of it's 4-inch through. That might be 6-inch cast too. But you can see. Okay, so here's the 6-inch clay. It's gonna go back underwater. I couldn't make it all the way to the city with a skid on. Tried 2 different skids. The whole pipe is 104 feet, 1 inch. This looks like 6-inch cast through here. And it gets murky again. And I think it's going to be underwater for a while. And that's because it's got a lot of scale. It's got a lot of rust on the inside of the pipe and a bunch of other stuff caked on from over the years. And so it's acting like it's low. There you can see a good picture of what it looks like through there.
That's how it's running, right?
So it needs to be scraped out and jetted. See it right through there.
Yeah, and the guy inspecting the sewer. Yep. No, that was the inspector of the house. And now they're doing the sewer. It's got to be scraped. I don't know. It must be recent, so. Yeah. Yep. It's going all the way out.
So yeah. It's cast iron pretty much all the way to the city, and so it needs to be descaled at a minimum. I accessed it through this front clean out here.